Let's create our own Firebase authentication with simple email password and connect it to our Spring Boot backend. So let's go to console.firebase.google.com. Let's create a new project. Let's call it pet project. We create continue. We agree to their stuff. If you have multiple accounts, pick one, and off you go. Now we're just going to wait for it to start, and done. So now we go here, wait to it to load, and we are in our pet project. Fantastic. So first things first, we want to start with authentication. So we go here. I think there's some authentication here. Yeah, here. Authentication. And you just literally press click get started. The simplest option, let's just add email password. You enable it and you press save. After that, you go to users. You add the user. I'm going to add my own user. I'm in my own email, gmail.com, and then I'll just provide a very stupid password to pick something better. And voila, we're done. So now we've created our email password authentication. We added a user. Let's check that it actually works. We can go to project settings. There is this web API key. That's what we're interested in. Then we grab our notepad. There's this request that you can send to authenticate yourself. So we're just going to check before we implement in our backend. We want to make sure that the steps that we've done so far actually works. So instead of key, we add this. Then instead of email, we add the email we've entered. Oops. And instead of password, we add the password we've chosen. We copy this, then we open the terminal, paste it in, and lo and behold, you get a response. The response starts here. And indeed, we get a token and everything we needed, but we're specifically interested in this ID token, which is a JWT token. And you can check that if you go to jwt.io. And you paste it in here. You see the things that are inside of it, which is, we see for which project it was meant. You see the expiration date, you see the email, and stuff like that, right? So yeah, that is step number 1, and we're going to continue with step number 2 shortly.